Guys, welcome back to another video. This is me, Arak Everything here, and today we're gonna unbox two iPhone XR Black 64GB. I'm not kidding guys, this is really me unboxing this. So actually I'm at the shop and I don't want to take the name because I don't like it and I have to buy it from you this time. Because I let my brothers decide what to do and I let them open the phone, but the shopkeeper opened it instead at first, and then the shopkeeper set it up. I don't know why. You can see the phone reflection. It's my iPhone XR and you can see the blue case. It's pretty similar to my case, so I'll get that soon for you. So here's the earphones and the charge brick, similar to the red I have right now from recording with. It's pretty cool, I guess. So he took it. So it says hello. It's pretty good phone in black color. And let's open the second box too. Let's open it, slide it slowly out of the box. And that black. We got two blacks this time. Whoa, the bubble right there in the back side. I don't know why. Then that guy literally opened it. I don't know why. So that's the earphones and the charging brick, the charging cable. I don't know why they don't give a fast charging adapter. They can of course afford that. Apple's rich. Guys, that's it for like just the opening. It's not much because I didn't do it myself, or else like according to my plan it was there. So you can see two boxes kept together. As you saw the intros, the spoiler, it wasn't fake, so you know I'm not lying for a fact. But you know, for proof I'll give it later too, because I'll show my face, I'll turn it. Guys, as you can see, it's pretty good phone. It's unlocking right there. Yes guys, you can see my face if you can right there. It's a little bit, so it's me right there. Of course it's a voice commentary. I'm not doing it live. He's placing the screen protector and the other guy is just putting the SIM card in. So you saw me right there, so I'm not lying. Of course I don't lie. I don't need to. So right now I'm having three iPhone XRs. The starting one, I just put it up right for fun. That case right there, the white case, but of course you know that it's just a case. So I have three iPhone XRs. Two black and one red. I would like to reveal a secret about this unboxing next video. I'm working on a project, so it's gonna be cool. In that video I'll tell you what is the secret about this, but my phones are pretty cool now. I have three of the 10Rs and there's a secret I'm hiding from you. It's just for fun, but we'll get to it soon. So this video is not clickbait, of course. You see it for yourself. Opening it inside the shop and then going home and taking photo with all the four iPhones. And I'm not lying. So pretty much guys, I can't say anything much more because I've done an unboxing of the iPhone XR already, and surely you can just go and check it out if you want. Otherwise, I'm good, and I guess you are too. We have 2 minutes of the video left. You can enjoy it. I might talk some rubbish by the way till that time the video ends. By the way, if you want to, you can leave the video right now because there's nothing much more left, just the opening of the iPhone. It's just the black color I'm getting, so nothing new. Just got a little discount and Bluetooth speaker free, so I didn't record the Bluetooth speaker when they gave it to us, but I have the unboxing ready. So we of course got the 17,000 instant discount with the Apple product iPhone XR and the 10% discount for India. So you know that HDFC thing, not sponsored by the way. Of course not. And I want to talk about a topic too. It's a 64 GB version as you can see. I want to talk a topic about the covering or the packaging of an iPhone. So for sure guys, tell me down. That guy literally didn't know how to skip Face ID. Such a noob. Not a noob I would say, but pretty average. Probably no one lets him set it up. He literally lied to us about the quick setup. I knew it. I told my brother don't do that mistake, but he didn't agree to me. So guys, that's it for this video pretty much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.